Hi friends! Guess what? Today we're going to learn a superpower. That's right, a math superpower called addition. And you know what's really cool? You use addition every single day without even knowing it. Like when a grown-up gives you 2 pizza slices and then you give 1 more. And when you're picking up toys and you have 3 cars over here and 4 cars over here, and you want to count them together? See, that's called addition. Before we start, I need to know, are you ready to become an addition superhero? Say yes.
Yes.
Okay, I heard you. Let's go. Okay, so what is addition? Well, it's when you put groups together to see how many you have in all. Let me show you with something you probably do at home. Imagine that you're helping putting away groceries. A grown-up puts 3 crunchy apples in the fruit bowl. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 apples. Oh, here come 2 more apples. Let me count these. 1, 2. 2 apples. Now, when we put them all together in the big fruit bowl, how many apples do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 apples total. That means we're adding them together. In math, this is how we write it. 3 plus 2 equals 5. You see that plus sign? That's the putting together sign. We put 3 and 2 together. You can even use your fingers to help you add. Watch this. Start with 3 fingers for the first group of apples. Then put up 2 more fingers for the second group. And when you put them together and you count your fingers, that's 5. Your hand and your fingers are like a little calculator. Now you know what addition is. Would you like to practice with some fun examples? I'm going to show you different addition problems using things that you see every day. And I want your help to count with me, and let's learn it together. Are you ready? Here we go. Now, imagine that you're at the park playing and you see 2 pretty butterflies fluttering by the flowers. Let's count them. 1, 2. And here comes 3 more butterflies. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3. Now let's put them together. 2 plus 3. If you count them all, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a butterfly party. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Great job. Addition happens at the park all the time. Let's try another game. Imagine you're at a birthday party. Oh, this is so exciting. And you see 4 bright, bouncy balloons floating near the ceiling. How many do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh look, someone brings 5 more sparkly balloons. Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now count all the party balloons with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 balloons. That means 4 plus 5 equals 9. That's great. You want to hear something really cool? If you switch the order, it still equals 9. If you say 5 plus 4, that's still 9. In addition, doesn't matter which number goes first. You're just counting them all. Now imagine you're on a field trip to the aquarium and you're looking at a big fish tank. Let's count how many fish we see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 silly fish. Oh, look, here comes some more fish. Let's count that group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whoa, we passed the number 10. That's 11 fish. That means 7 plus 4 equals 11. Whoa, that's super cool. Did you see that? 7 plus 4 equals 11 when you count them all. Now imagine that you're playing on the floor and you're trying to build the tallest tower ever. You already stacked 8 colorful blocks. Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 blocks. And now you want to add 6 more blocks on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whew, good thing it didn't fall. How many blocks do you have now in your tower? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 plus 6 equals 14. You have 14 blocks in all. That's super cool because when you're adding, you're trying to find out how many you have in all. Great job. Now imagine that you just got home from school and you're organizing your awesome marble collection. You count the marbles that you had yesterday. Look at all these colorful marbles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 marbles. And today you got a gift from your friend. Your friend gave you 8 more marbles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many marbles do we have in all? Well, let's count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 marbles. Wow! That's 12 plus 8 equals 20. We made it to 20. Whoa, can you believe it? 20 marbles? And you added 2 numbers that make it to 20? You're an addition superstar. Great job. Let's play a game. I'm going to show you some everyday situations, and you have to figure out the answer. I'll give you a few seconds to think, and then we'll find out the answer together. Are you ready? Let's see what you learned. Okay, imagine that you have 3 playful dogs in your backyard, and your neighbor brings over 4 more friendly dogs for a play date. How many dogs are playing together? That is 3 plus 4 equals 7. If you count all the dogs, you have 7 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Whoa, that's a lot of doggies in the backyard. Great job. Now, imagine that it's art time and you have 9 bright crayons on your desk. And your friend shares 6 more crayons with you. How many crayons do you have to draw with? That's 9 plus 6 equals 15. Great job. 15 crayons. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9 plus 6 equals 15. Wow, that's more colors than in the rainbow. Okay, now imagine you love collecting stickers and you have 11 stickers in your collection. And today you got 9 more stickers. How many stickers do you have in your collection now? That's 11 plus 9. This is the biggest number we've done. Let's count them carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. You have 20 stickers. 11 plus 9 equals 20. Wow, you're amazing. You put 2 numbers together to see what they make in all. And that's addition. Great job. You did amazing. You just learned how to add numbers all the way up to 20. And you know what the coolest part is? You can find addition everywhere. At the park, at school, at the aquarium, at home, in the stores, and even when you're looking up at the sky. Every time you put groups together, you're using addition. You're officially an addition superhero. Didn't I tell you? Give yourself a super big high five. Remember the tips we learned. You can use your fingers to help you count. The order doesn't matter. 3 plus 5 is the same as 5 plus 3. If you want to practice more addition, watch this video again. You can even teach addition to your friends or your stuffed animal. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you had fun learning today. Subscribe for more videos. And thank you for being such an awesome learner. I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.